Top 3 Best Espresso Machines to Buy in this Black Friday Sale. Gavi Espresso Machine. It's affordable home espresso machine, which is around $120. It comes with a 20-bar pump pressure, ensures rich cafe-style extraction. It includes milk frothing steam wand for lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. It has really compact design and comes with stainless steel body and removable water tank, which is great for smaller kitchens or home setups. It is perfect product for home usage, gifting options, and office essentials. Grab the deal in this Amazon Black Friday sale. The best buying link is in the description. Wish Espresso Machine. Barista quality espresso at home. Thanks to a powerful 20-bar Italian pump. 1350-watt thermoblock heating system for fast warm-up and consistent extraction. Built-in pressure gauge lets you monitor extraction in real time. It has a sleek stainless steel body, fits beautifully in any kitchen, and saves space. It comes with a 42 ounces ovable water tank, plus cup warmer tray for countertop convenience. Great value under $120 and a perfect for beginners and home baristas. Again, a perfect gifting product for this Thanksgiving. The link to buy an Amazon Black Friday sale is in the description. Number 1. Casabrews Espresso Machine. Affordable home espresso machine at $139. It has a 20 bars Italian pump pressure for rich extraction. It has manual steam wand for lattes and cappuccinos. It comes with 34 ounces removable water tank for easy refills and cleaning. It is ultra compact and has stainless steel body, ideal for small kitchens. Available in multiple colors. Buying link in the description.